Hello everyone, my name is Niteshwar Misra. I am basically from Buxur, Bihar, and I can just say one thing, like nothing is impossible if you work hard, and you will get your as per your wish. And I want to share my valuable thoughts about the Evision. Actually, I got to know about the Evision through one of my friend who already taken the take the classes in Evision, and I also interested in networking, so he suggested me to join, and I also joined in month of November 2022, and today I'm recording this video, and today is 2nd of February, and I would like to inform you all. So I got the job in WIPRO on the salary of 2.6 for LPA, and I am very grateful to all the Evision team who support me to achieve this goal, and faculty member is very much supportive. They support in every aspect, whatever you're learning on the online classes, they will definitely help you out, and they help us very much to achieve this goal. And again, I am very thankful to all Evision team. Thank you once again for guiding us. Thank you.